Yes, thank you.
It was getting down to the wire for mayoral candidate Robert Stone.
I need to know, are you with me on this or are you not with me on this? Come on.
In a final push, he and his staff worked the phones.
Stone for mayor.
Stone wanted that office bad. Melissa, his sexy campaign manager, wanted Stone.
I mean, weeks ago, we were way behind from Baumgartner. Now we're gonna kick his bum. Let's just do it again tomorrow. Let's get it done.
It was the end of a long day, but Melissa had one more campaign to mount.
I need to get out of here, heading home soon.
You can stay for one drink. Just one long, stiff drink.
Melissa was slipping Stone a roofie, the date rape drug. But she didn't want to do him. She was going to do him in.
Peace out like a light. Listen, I need everyone out front at 7:30.
Melissa was actually a spy working for Baumgartner, Stone's opposing candidate.
Sucker. Come on, time to get up. It's 7:30. Let's go.
Melissa had alerted the press. When Stone stepped out of the front door, his career would be over.
Good luck in the polls, Mr. Stone. Mr. Stone, what is this about?
Hey, I don't know. I didn't do anything.
Then, as the cameras flashed, Melissa had the mother of all sneezing fits.
Mr. Stone, what did you do to your intern?
I didn't do anything.
What happened back there? Do you have a comment?
Melissa suffered from autosomal dominant compelling helio-ophthalmic outbursts, otherwise known as ACHOO syndrome.
ACHOO syndrome, it's a genetically inherited condition. An exposure to bright light can cause you to uncontrollably sneeze 50, 60, 70 times. The violent sneezing caused an injury to the lining of her aorta, causing the blood to actually go between the leaves of the heart valve itself and blood being spewed out into her chest cavity, dying within seconds.
Melissa played Stone like a pro.
I need everyone out front at 7:30.
She set him up to knock him down. But then she went down.
Get that thing out of my face!
God bless you, bitch.